One of the men who have been implicated in the alleged murder of Oyoplat to kill veteran politician Philip Paulwell, 10 months old daughter Sarah, and the child's mother, 27 years old, Tashana Patterson, plead guilty to the charge against him in the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston. On Thursday, the media have been asked not to name the convicted men at this time, reportedly because of security and safety reasons among other factors. The man pled guilty to 2 counts of murder and 2 counts of kidnapping. He is to be sentenced on November 15 by High Court Judge Justice Lorna Shelley Williams. Police said the mother and the daughter were shot and their bodies burned and disposed of on September 9 after they were kidnapped from their home on Gilmore Drive in St. Andrew the same day. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF on Friday, October 13, slapped Leada Bradshaw, mother of another child, by Paulwell with 2 counts of conspiracy to kidnap, 2 counts of conspiracy to murder, 2 counts of kidnapping, and 2 counts of capital murder, all of which arose from the heinous crime. When the matter was mentioned in the Home Circuit Court October 13, it was revealed that Bradshaw allegedly made a down payment of $100,000 to 3 men, including her cousin, Roland Balfour, to murder little Sarah and her mother. She reportedly agreed to pay $400,000 more after they were murdered. In a statement at the time from Director of Public Prosecution, DPP Paula Lywin, she confirmed that Bradshaw was in a relationship with Paulwell, and although they are not married, she considered him to be her spouse. The prosecution outlined its case against the defendants by stating that Bradshaw allegedly traveled to Jamaica with the sole purpose of killing Patterson and her daughter after she found out on September 5 that Patterson had a daughter with Paulwell. According to the prosecutor, it was Bradshaw herself who allegedly arrived at Patterson home on September 9 in an SUV after placing several calls to her phone and conversing with her. After Patterson and her daughter entered the vehicle and spent approximately 15 minutes inside the unit that Saturday morning, they were never seen again as the vehicle was driven off with them inside. It is alleged that Bradshaw, a petty officer in the U.S. Navy, took Patterson and her child to Stony Hill in St. Andrew and allegedly handed them over to a number of men, including persons who the court was told are yet to be apprehended. A man on his hunt for an inmate who escaped from the Tamarind Farm Adult Correctional Center outside of Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Thursday, October 26. In a release on the Development of Correctional Service DCS, said it was reported by an officer at the institution that at approximately 9:50 a.m., the inmate Nathan Witter, otherwise called Natty and Kemar, escaped from among a group of 12 inmates who were working on the institution farm. Witter was incarcerated for illegal possession of firearm and ammunition and had been sentenced to a total of 4 years for the offense. The escapee is known to frequent the area of Orange Hill and Brownstown St. Anne's, Spanish Town Road in the Corporate area, and Port Maria in St. Mary. The DCS said it is collaborating with the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, to find the escapee and is seeking the public assistance to aid in his recapture. The police meanwhile reminded the public, members of the public, that is an offense to harbor a felon. Only recently, one of 8 men who broke out of the Black River Police Station lockup in St. Elizabeth a few months ago was recaptured in Trial Heights, St. Catherine, allegedly in the company of his child mother. Both individuals, the escapee, who was on a murder charge, and his child's mother, who have since slapped with criminal charge relative to the escape and allegedly act of harboring a felon, and are expected to answer to the matters in court.